首先是拆的这个外包围的。
Firstly, we dismantle the metal here.
OK， 然后是打开防护盖。
And then open the shear cover.
把这一圈凹槽范围的一个碎前外皮、碎屑之类的全部清洁干净。
And clean the substance just in here around. Here. Make sure the panel here it is clean. There's no dust, no other substance in here.
然后用一个美工刀轻轻的
Use a blade, slightly clip on the V groove.
会清洁干净并扫的话也
Clean the V groove, and then use alcohol. Use the cotton, with some alcohol to clean the lens.
OK， 然后点击下一张。
And then click menu.
点击左下角点6。
Left button click 6 times continually, and then enter factory menu.
对，确认键。
Confirm keypad. You can input the password. Please contact your distributor to get the password.
点击第一个图标。
And then choose after you enter factory menu, choose first one, motor debug.
放入光键。
And then roll the fiber in V group.
OK， 切换到两个画面。
Make it X or Y.
直接点击下这键。
Press keypad set.
等光纤自动对齐。
Then you wait for the fiber auto align like this.
如果假设自动对齐不了的话，也可以手动拿出来。
Suppose after you press keypad set, it cannot align automatically. We can manually make it align.
OK， 就是先点击放电，看放电在哪里。
Firstly, press ARC in here.
就对着这个放电中间，
Then
光电拿出来。
And then you need to by pressing the up or down triangle to get the fiber out.
就点击向上的，这个光纤会来回的移动。
By pressing the up and down, you can let the fiber come down, can get out.
那短面来到刚才放电的一个位置。
Just we press the ARC here. That means you need to find out the ARC position and make the fiber close the ARC position.
切换到右。
And then shift to R press. It is same. Then you can get the fiber out.
两个短面留一点空隙。
And make it there's a little gap between the two fiber.
如果光线出来的时候，它是一高一低的，就可以通过切换。
If the fiber not in the same horizontal line, when come out, you can make it X align or Y align to make by adjusting the up or down triangle. You can adjust them in the same level. 好，放电水平就 OK。 Okay, when it is in horizontal line, it is okay. Okay, after you make the fiber align manually or automatically, then we go back and then choose the second one, camera diff. Press touch screen reset. Go back and then we go back to first one, motor debug.
来到第三。
And then we go to the third menu of sensor info.
OK， 然后拿一个1.3的角。
1.3 you need this one, 1.3 hexagon screwdriver. It should be a long time. Turn around the splicer on the right. When you face the splicer at the right side of in here.
手边这个孔。
There's a hole inside here. 有点光了。Here you can see, put the 1.3 hexagon screwdriver inside this screw hole. There's 2 screws inside. You need to unscrew and take out the first one. For the second one, you need to make it become loose.
哦，这个
See, this is the first one we take out. And then for the second one inside, you need to make it become loose.
OK，你松掉这里。
And then you can notice in here, the corvette wheel, use two finger, push in on the CMOS ball, and then push it inside or pull it out, put it inside or pull it out. In the meanwhile, you need to observe the monitor. When you put the CMOS ball inside or pull out, it will the fiber will get changed, and you observe the core value in core value here. When the core value become 9 to 11, 9 to 11, then you can tighten back the screw in on the right side.
锁定。
See, now it is almost close to within 9 to 11. Then you can tighten the screw. Okay.
要把这些。
And then for the second one, you can also tighten back.
好，腰是这边的，好了。
And then for X side, it is okay.
切换到
And then we go to Y side.
外面。
For Y side, it is saying you need to turn around. Y side, it is under the heater. It is saying you need the 1.3 hexagon screwdriver to put the screwdriver inside here.
一样的结构。
And then it is same structure and same procedure. Take out the first screw and then unscrew the second one screw inside. And then, in the meanwhile, you can pull up the monitor like this. Use two fingers to adjust the CMOS board, pull it inside or pull it out. In the meanwhile, observe the core value in here, make it 9 to 11. Then you can tighten back the screw. Okay, when the core value 9 to 11, you can tighten back the screw.